Hello everyone, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we are going to continue short sums of exercise 5 section C. Sum number 9. Let's read it. In a frequency distribution, if a frequency distribution has Q3 minus Q2 is equals to 2Q2 minus Q1, find J. Here, Q3 minus Q2 is equals to 2Q2 minus Q1 is given in the question, and we know the formula for J, that is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. But here it is written something different. What is it? Let us understand. Here you can see Bolly's method formula. This coefficient of skewness has derived from this, that is J is equals to Q3 minus m minus Q1, Q3 minus m plus m minus Q1. M means Q2. So if we open the brackets, this negative m and this negative m will become minus 2m. And if we open the bracket, this negative m, this positive m will be cancelled. So this formula has been derived from this. So here we have written from where the formula has been derived. In place of m, just we have written Q2, Q3 minus Q2 minus Q2 minus Q1 upon Q3 minus Q2 plus Q2 minus Q1. This is where the formula has been derived from. Now, this we have written of Bolly's method. Now here in the question it is given Q3 minus Q2 is equals to 2Q2 minus Q1. That means we can say that Q3 minus Q2 is equals to 2Q2 minus Q1. So in place of Q3 minus Q2 in numerator and denominator, I can write here 2Q2 minus Q1. See, I have written here 2Q2 minus Q1 minus Q2 minus Q1. Again in denominator 2Q2 minus Q1 plus Q2 minus Q1. So now looking to this, now if I subtract 2Q2 minus 1Q2 minus Q1, it will remain Q2 minus Q1. But if I add 2Q2 plus Q2 minus Q1, it will be 3Q2 minus Q1. So Q2 minus 1, Q2 minus 1 is cancelled. What remains? 1 by 3. And the 1 by 3 is the value 0.33. So J is 0.33. So coefficient of skewness is 0.33. Let's solve sum number 10. So let's read sum number 10. If a frequency distribution has skewness minus 6.6 and quartile deviation 22, find J. So here skewness is given minus 6.6, QD is given 22, you have to find J. The formula of skewness is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. So here I can write in place of skewness minus 6.6 Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m as it is. And quartile deviation, that means QD is given 22. So the formula for QD, it is Q3 minus Q1 upon 2 is equals to 22. So in place of QD I have written Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. So 2 will be cross multiplied, so it will 22 into 2 gives you 44. Therefore Q3 minus Q1 is 44. So we have two results. First is this, minus 6.6 is equals to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. Second is Q3 minus Q1 is equals to 44. So as in the question we have to find J, so we'll write the formula of J. J is equals to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m is, that means skewness, and the value of skewness is given. Here you can see Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m is minus 6.6. So skewness upon Q3 minus Q1. We have the value of Q3 minus Q1 2, that is 44. So minus 6.6 upon 44 gives you negative 0.15. So J is negative 0.15. So here we are done with the sums. Go through the sums, revise it properly. Thank you.